Whether you're looking to prepare smoothies or dice vegetables, a blender and food processor in one combo will take care of both and save valuable storage space. These versatile machines are equipped with a single base that matches up with separate blades, jars, and bowls for a variety of uses. Additionally, users can choose their preferred power, capacity, and settings for ingredients. This guide will offer shopping considerations and product options to help you select the best blender food processor combo for your needs. Here is the 5 best food processor blender combo. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. Here is number 1, NutriBullet Touch Combo Blender. For expertly designed blending programs automatically adjust whether you're blending up multiple servings in the blender pitcher or flying solo with NutriBullet cups. Whatever you're in the mood for, this blender is smart enough to keep up. Take control over your culinary creations with 3 speeds and pulse control, or use an intelligent program if you need an assist. The high-capacity vented pitcher is ready to blend sweet or savory ingredients into the silkiest of soups. It also has a locking lid and easy-R spout. Components are top-rack dishwasher safe. This item comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Number 2, Hamilton Beach Food Processor. Special attachment scrapes the sides of the bowl to keep ingredients close to the blades for more even results and to save you time when chopping or pureeing. The generous 10-cup bowl can handle large volumes of foods without having to stop to empty it. Can fit large foods like a whole block of cheese for quick, easy processing and less prep time. Reversible stainless steel disc slices and shreds, while the stainless steel S-blade chops, mixes and purees. Food processor's low and high speeds plus pulse gives you the control you need for a variety of recipes. Number 3, Oster Blender and Food Processor. Texture select settings lets you choose between thin, medium, and thick consistencies. Experience ultra-powerful blending and food chopping performance with the 1200-watt motor. 5-cup food processor bowl attachment with slicing disc is a great tool for chopping, grinding, and prepping your favorite meals. Includes 2 24 ounces portable, dishwasher-safe blend-and-go cups to make it easy to blend and carry your smoothies on the go for you and a friend. Extra large, 3-inch, 6-point stainless steel blade with dual direction blade technology powers through tough ingredients and prevents jamming to blend and chop with ease. Number 4, Ninja Footy SS201 Power Blender. The 3-in-1 blender that crushes, food processes, and makes dough. Smart Torque is designed to power through heavy loads without stalling or the need to stir or shake. Start slow and ramp up as needed for precision chopping and mixing. Power blender and processor pitcher, crush, chop, and make dough conveniently in one pitcher. Easy to clean food blender is dishwasher safe and includes cleaning brush for hand washing. Includes 1400 peak watt power dense motor power blender and processor pitcher with total crushing and chopping blade, dough blade, cleaning brush, and recipe inspiration guide. Number 5, Cuisinart Smart Power Duet Blender. 7-speed touchpad controls with LED indicators, off, on, pulse, stir, chop, mix, puree, food processor and ice crush. Cord length 36 inches. 3-cup food processor attachment with feed tube and pusher, slicing/shredding disc and chopping blade. Cuisinart powerful new 7-speed blender also has a genuine Cuisinart food processor. A heavy-duty 500-watt motor pulses, stirs, mixes, purees, chops and even crushes ice in record time. In food processor mode, users can slice, shred or process ingredients right into a 3-cup work bowl. It's big, it's powerful, and its easy removable parts are dishwasher safe. Limited 3-year warranty.